Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the free Snapchat mod menu latest version that actually works on both iOS and Android, then you're in the right place. Stick around because today I'm showing you step by step how to get Snapchat Plus Plus, the most powerful Snapchat hack tool right now. Completely free, updated, and with zero bans so far. This mod menu unlocks insane features like Unlimited Snapchat Score Booster, works perfectly on iOS and Android. Secret screenshot without notification, secret screen recording, hide viewed snaps and stories, hide read messages, and much more. As you can see right here on my screen, everything is working smoothly in the latest Snapchat version. No root, no jailbreak needed, super easy setup. Make sure your official Snapchat app is fully updated. Just open the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android, search for Snapchat, and hit update if it's available. Done? Perfect. Now the most important part, scroll down and check the pinned comment right below this video. I've dropped the working link and full installation guide for the latest Snapchat mod menu. Follow those steps exactly and you'll have all these Snapchat mod unlocked in minutes.